Hi, I'm Donna. This is my husband Bernie, and welcome to our kitchen. We are big Disney food fans and Disney foodies. We love to go to the restaurants in Disney just as much as going on some of the rides. So in between our trips, we like to try to make some of those Disney recipes here at home.
And I am all around kitchen help, which means I do the dishes.
Thank you, dear. So leave us a comment. Let us know what some of your favorite Disney restaurants are, some of the recipes you'd like to see us try to make here. And don't forget to subscribe. And when you're ready to go back to try those recipes in person, let me know. I'm a Disney travel planner and I can help you with all your details. Ready to get started?
I'm hungry. Let's get started.
Today we're headed over to Beach Club Villas. It's one of my family's favorites. I think one of the best parts is Stormalong Bay. Stormalong Bay is a great pool complex. There's a giant slide based off of a pirate ship, and the whole pool has a sandy bottom. Makes you really feel like you're at the beach. Stormalong Bay is actually the largest sand bottom pool in the world at 750,000 gallons. There's a very shallow section where little kids can splash and play, but there's also a section that's 12 feet deep that you can just swim along, but it has some seats on the side just in case you get tired. One of the other great parts of this resort is that you can walk right to Epcot. When you enter, you'll be right in England near the Rose and Crown and the Yorkshire County Fish Shop where you can get great fish and chips, but that's another video. Back at Beach Club, there's a couple of really nice restaurants. One of the most popular is Beaches and Cream. It's an old-fashioned ice cream soda shop. They serve burgers and sandwiches and ice cream sundaes and milkshakes. The most famous sundae from Beaches and Cream is called the Kitchen Sink. It includes every kind of ice cream flavor and every topping they have, and even a whole can of whipped cream. Can you finish it? This time we're headed inside the Beach Club to the Cape May Café. In the morning, it's Minnie's Beach Bash Breakfast. Minnie and her friends are there to greet everybody with an all-you-can-eat buffet. In the evening, it's a good old-fashioned clam bake. It's a seafood buffet with clams, crabs, chicken, and corn on the cob. But one of my favorites there is the creamy Tomato Bisque Soup. It's a quick and easy recipe, so let's get started. You can find the recipe in the description down below. Start with 4 16-ounce cans of plum tomatoes. Drain the liquid and set it aside. Place the tomatoes on a roasting pan and put in the oven for about 30 minutes at 350 degrees. In the meantime, you're going to saute onions, carrots, and celery in just a touch of oil so it doesn't stick. Cook the vegetables on medium heat, stirring occasionally until they're translucent. When done, add the reserved liquid into the cooked vegetables. Also add the roasted tomatoes and the tomato paste. Season with salt and pepper. Give everything a good stir, cover, and let simmer for about 30 minutes. When it's all nice and thick, you need to puree the soup. You can use an immersion blender, or if you don't have one, a regular blender will do. When creamy, add the basil and give it one last blend. The last step is to add in heavy cream. Stir well until it's all creamy and smooth, and your soup is done. This is a very rich filling soup, but boy is it good. A nice salad on the side, and it makes for a great soup and salad lunch. You could also pair it with a grilled cheese sandwich from Woody's Lunchbox, but if that's too much, cut one up and use it as croutons to garnish the soup. Keep an eye out for future videos because we'll be making that grilled cheese soon. Let me know in the comments if you tried this recipe. You'll find this recipe and more at our website, thedisneydish.com.